Hey guys, here's how I installed the truck bed to the truck frame. I used a bunch of square tubing I had laid around, as usual, doing everything on the cheap. This was an old engine frame, or engine stand, sorry, and got that at the dump and just cut it up, ground down all the paint, cleaned it up, primed all my surfaces that are going to be hidden away, and from that, made a few measurements. We know everything is square, so the mounting of this isn't very a big deal. It's more or less just shimming everything into place and anchoring it. I cut the pieces of square tubing and welded them into the frame here, and that part was done. Of course, drilled some holes in them for the hardware to hold everything in place. After that, I grabbed some tubing that I had as well, other tubing. This was the 5-inch tall stuff, and that was to close up and lift up where we need to be on the sides of the frame. That all got welded in and sits right on top of it. All of our holes are drilled, everything lines up, and it bolts right into place. So take a look. So that's the orange tubing I'm talking about, and then that's just the square or rectangle stuff that was 5-inch profile that we had around. So all that was mapping out where we were supposed to be, and put a little shim on the back of this one just to build it up, and closed it up, welded it up. So everything just bolts straight through with grade 8 hardware. And it's in place. Once we have the wooden bed on this, that will be what you'll be seeing mainly for like a pattern of bolts. These 4, we'll do them symmetrical. It's all symmetrical, and they'll be holding the bed down, but the wood itself will be bolted to the box, and then the box is bolted to the frame. Hope this makes sense to you, and thanks for watching.